A devastating earthquake has shaken the Colombia country completely, in which around 265 people died, more than 500 people have missing. Many buildings, schools, colleges, and the hospitals have badly damaged. More than 25,000 families have lost their, as usual, life. They have no jobs, they have no resident houses, their lifestyle have been completely changed, and they have lost each and everything, and they are in a big trauma. Hello everyone, I'm talking about the country Colombia. They are facing a devastating major earthquake which was hit on August 10, where the powerful earthquake which the reactor is 7.4. And on the other hand, there is also one administration test of the newly elected president of the Colombia. He was just elected one day before this quake happened, and now how will he going to handle? This is the biggest test for him. Although their administrations, they are trying to take help for the national, international, some neighbor countries. Uh, in these days, the Colombia is also facing so many problem in the country as well, and this quake has hit badly this country. uh, Many houses were definitely collapsed, but on the other hand, some important infrastructure, especially the hospitals, were also damaged, because these hospitals were played an important role if such in a disaster which happened. On the other hand, some of the operators, they keep coming and they are trying to save all the people. On the other hand, they are trying to save all those they are under the debris. If they are assuming some people, they are stuck still in the debris, so they are trying to pass air, water, and some important tools, so that their life can be saved. Many families, they are continuously screaming for their family members, those who have those who are stuck under the debris, or they have no information about. They are continuously appealing to the all the rescue people. So this is an earthquake which happened again in the major reason, the major uh, you can say the major reason of uh, at, after the after the Venezuela, because the few months ago, I mean after the last month, the Venezuela also hit a powerful earthquake where the many maximum people, they lost their life. So now the Colombia is also facing such a disaster challenge, and so let's see how the world will going to figure out, and how the people or the other governments will help them. So what do you think? Will the newly president will overcome and control this situation, or how the other country will help and come out for such country for the help? So this is the latest information about the international news, where the Colombia, which is facing so many devastating problem just because of powerful earthquake. So thank you so much for the watching. Have a lovely day.